Most of you all said that you all are going to be great leaders in this room, and I just want to see if you're really about that life. Leadership is all about asking good questions with your words. So instead of just, hey, how are you, where you go to school, what's your name, like those things are good, but you want to be able to get to know somebody for real, for real. What do you care about the most right now? Shout to me, what are some of the things they said? Shout it out, shout it out.
She said her education. She said her family.
Her family, God.
What you're speaking over your life is gonna happen. So I want you to start speaking life into you. I'm gonna walk in with confidence. I may not know how it's gonna work out, but I know I'm gonna go in and do my best. Great leaders take action. Even if you don't know how things are gonna end up, you're still taking action. You're still walking by faith and not by sight.
You all made it through the first two phases very well, communication and conduct. Leaders sometimes have good characteristics about them, and leaders sometimes have bad characteristics about them. Me and my friends, sometimes we talk the same, like we talk the same. I asked you 3 questions. I asked you, how does your friend act? I asked you, how does your friend talk? And I asked you, how does your friend think? All of you, for the most part, you stepped up because you and your friend think the same, you and your friend act the same, and some of y'all talk the same. And so as a leader, whoever you're around is gonna affect your character, they're gonna affect how you talk, how you think, and how you take action. Communication, conduct, character. Y'all make some noise for yourself.